Ni hao, hello, kamusta? Welcome to our Mandarin lesson. Today, we will be learning different basic greetings and we will also learn nationalities and countries. Tara, simulan na natin. Let's start with greeting someone hello. When we want to greet someone hello, we will say ni hao, ni hao. Repeat after me. Ni hao. Ikaw naman. Very good. Now, here is an example.
你好，
Ni hao. Now, let's go with saying goodbye or in Tagalog, paalam. If you want to bid someone goodbye, you will say 再见. 再见. Repeat after me. 再见. Now you try. Excellent! How about see you tomorrow? Or in Tagalog, hanggang sa muli. Here is how you say it. 明天见. 明天见. Now your turn. Very good! Here is an example. 再见，老师。
明天见，老师。
Now let's learn about the different times of the day. We have 3 greetings in terms of times of the day. In Tagalog, magandang umaga, magandang hapon, at magandang gabi. In English, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. How about in Mandarin? In saying good morning, you will say 早上好,早上好. Now repeat after me. 早上好. Very good! Next, to say good afternoon, you will say 下午好,下午好. Repeat after me. 下午好. Now you try. Very good! Lastly, good evening, which is 晚上好,晚上好. Now you try. 晚上好. Excellent! Those are some of the basic greetings in Mandarin. Now, let's move on to the next topic, which is countries and nationalities. See you there! First country, 中国, which is China. Once again, 中国, 中国. You try. Amazing. How about the Philippines? 菲律宾, 菲律宾. Repeat after me. 菲律宾. Great. Let's move on to the country of United States, which is 美国. 美国. Now your turn. 美国. Amazing. Let's head over to Japan. To say Japan, you will say 日本, 日本. Repeat after me. 日本. Awesome. Last but not the least, South Korea. To say South Korea in Mandarin, you will say 韩国, 韩国. Now you try. Excellent work. Now, let's go to the last part of the discussion, which is nationality. Madali lang to. If you want to say your nationality or identify someone's nationality, you will just add the word ren. Gawin natin siyang parang mathematics. Country plus ren equals nationality. For example, Filipino. Filipineren. Filipineren. Notice how I added the word ren to the word Filipin. So, ganun lang siya kadali. If you want to say or identify someone's nationality in Mandarin, just keep this formula in mind. That would be all for our lesson for today. Maraming salamat. Xie xie.